रात वारकार खिचमावस हुन सा त्रो में वन नवीद सु त्रो में यतनसन. And you can just see that what a beautiful feeling, ladies and gentlemen, in the morning of the Kashmiri Khitmawas. All these, pigeons, they are taking this Khitmawas material, and then of course there is the arrangement of the, very beautiful, the arrangement of the arrangement of the water also, drinking water also, so many good things happening, because just see that what a beautiful feeling. This is wood, this is natural wood, and then these are taking the Khitmawas items. Yeah. Just see that how beautiful and how nicely they are taking it one by one of all the Kashmiri Pandits Khitmawas items. These they are taking, but then there is no because there is no non-vegetarian thing, it is all vegetarian thing. So then, ladies and gentlemen, that is a great feeling that is off on this 20th of 20th December 2025. God bless. Jai Ho. Thank you. आज हमने इनको खिलाया. ये सब आप ही आइए. आप तो रोज इनकी सेवा करते हैं, हम तो कभी सेवा करते हैं. आप तो रोज सेवा करने. आप तो महान आत्मा हो आप. और आपका नाम भी राम जी है. अरे ये होगी ना बात. इनमें कौन सा क्या डालते हैं आप? ये बूंदी.
ये 5 किलो बूंदी लेता हूँ हर
मंगलवार को ना.
हर मंगलवार को.
अच्छा, इनको मीठा अच्छा लगता है इनको. मैंने हमारी एक खिचमावस थी कल, खिचड़ी मावस थी कश्मीरी पड़तों की. तो मैंने आज तो रात को हम रखते हैं यक्ष देवता के लिए रखते हैं.
अच्छा.
यक्ष देवता को रात को तो वो आए नहीं हमारे पास, क्योंकि हमारे अगर उतने ज़्यादा हमारी आस्था होती तो 100% आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, हमने रख दिया क्योंकि कश्मीर से तो पलायन हो गया 1990 में.
क्लिक तो करो.
पता चला कश्मीरी पंडित ये चल रहा है, वीडियो चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
ऊपर नहीं देख रहे, लाल देख रहे.
वीडियो बना रहे हो.
जय हो. So ladies and gentlemen, one more day, one more life, and then I'll show you something very, very important today. While we have done this Khitmawas event in the morning, we'll like to go to a very, very beautiful place, very, very exotic, and Jadi Booty Vatika, herbal garden. That is the herbal garden, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's go this way, and then try to find out what these duck are doing. These are the ducks. It's very cold, no doubt about it. Very, very cold. But then, ladies and gentlemen, deep forest, and then also here. Just see, that's again a special arrangement, a very, very special arrangement made for these pigeons and crows. It is the home of these pigeons, and that is what is known as. So ladies and gentlemen, make no mistakes about it. That is the. You want to just see close up? I'll show you. Down. Oh, they are taking a drip. Oh, that is the. Oh, wow. You might not have seen it for a very long time. See the biodiversity. See the how this duck is doing. You need to watch. You need to watch all these things on a daily basis. See what these ducks are up to. That is the duck pond, ladies and gentlemen. Just see that. इसका ना डुबकी लगाता है, डुबकी लगा हुआ है. He is taking a dip. The way we are taking a dip, ladies and gentlemen. And then one more good thing I want to show you, ladies and gentlemen, today morning on this very beautiful park. I can do like this also, not a problem. While I'm walking. Just see that is this. That's again for the I don't know. It's again for the pigeons. This. Yeah, duck pond. Okay, thank you. Okay, keep smiling, keep happy, keep going. Woo! December, December 2025. Keep happy, keep joyous, keep smiling, and keep exuberant every day. One single moment is one day, and one day equivalent to one life. That should be the spirit of living. एक second चौकीस दोहस बराबर तो आँख दो चौकीस लाइफ बराबर. God bless. Thank you. Jai Ho.